This video is an introduction to editing a NISC Wiki page. It assumes that you've already joined Wikispaces and already joined the NISC Wiki. The first section, part 1, is simple page editing. Before editing, make sure that you're on a NISC Wikispace page. Also check to make sure that you're logged in with your username in the upper right hand corner, and then go to a page. I've created a sandbox, which is a simple page for you to edit. Click on edit this page, then you can highlight any text that's already on the page, delete it, and then add your own, or you can just add to the text that's already there. Once you're finished, if you scroll down, you have a number of different choices, one of which is a preview. You can also choose to go ahead and save, or you can cancel, which will disregard any changes you made. Click Save. The new page that loads shows the text that you added. Adding a table of contents and headings is relatively easy. I'm going to go back to this sandbox. I'm going to click on Edit this page. For right now, I'm going to delete the text that's there. To add a table of contents, you type in TOC and surround those letters with brackets. To create a heading, type your text and surround whatever text you type with equal signs. If you go ahead and just type text without surrounding it by brackets or equal signs, the text will just appear in the page. I'm going to create a second heading, heading 2, surround it by equal signs, and insert some more sample text. Once you are finished creating your text, your table of contents, click Save. This will take you to the page and show you what your changes actually were. Notice my headings are bold and slightly larger, and my text is smaller. If you scroll to the right, you can see a table of contents that was created, noting only the headings appear. You can add numbered lists and bulleted lists in a few short steps. I'm going to return to the sandbox and click on Edit this page. In the text that's already there, I'm going to click where I want to add the numbered list, hit Return. To add a numbered list, you type in the pound sign and then a space, and then type the text that you want to appear after the number. I'm going to do this process twice because I want 2 numbers in my list. Then I'm going to skip down beneath heading 2 text and do a bulleted list. It's the same as a numbered list, but instead of typing in a pound sign, you do an asterisk and then a space and then type your text. If you want to make a portion of the text bold, surround the text with 2 asterisks, both before and after. Once you're done, click Save at the bottom of the page. The new page that appears will show your changes, noting that heading 2 is now bold. I've created a bulleted list and a numbered list, but none of this appears in the table of contents. There are 2 ways to add links to a wiki page. First, click on Edit this page. Enter the text area. In this case, I'm going to add a link right after number 2. I hit Return twice. The first way to add a link is to type the web address for the website directly into the page. Make sure to include http://. The second way is to include the link within brackets, 2 brackets actually, and after you've typed in the web address, to do a vertical bar, which you do by pressing down Shift and the backslash and then typing text. Enclose that in 2 brackets and then click Save. The page refreshes and you can see the link that I typed in directly and the way in which it appears when you use brackets. Please feel free to hone or practice your editing skills in the sandbox. Once you feel comfortable and are ready to begin, you can start editing NISC Wiki pages and join the community. You can access the sandbox by going to nisc.wikispaces.com/sandbox.